This structure did not collapse because of a storm. It did not collapse because of an earthquake. It collapsed because of one small design change, and 114 people paid the price. In 1981, inside the atrium of Hyatt Regency Hotel in Kansas City, two walkways were suspended high above a crowded lobby. They looked solid, they looked safe, they were trusted by everyone beneath them. That night, hundreds of people gathered below. Music played, no one looked up. Originally, the structure was simple. Each walkway was designed to hang directly from the roof. Each one carried its own weight. The load path was clear, the mass worked. But during construction, a change was proposed. One longer steel hanger rod was replaced by two shorter ones. It seemed harmless, easier to install, faster to build. The drawings were approved. What was not approved was a new calculation. This single change altered the load path. The force at the connection was doubled. No warning appeared, no alarm sounded. The steel does not complain before it fails. The bolts did not twist. They were not pulled apart. They were loaded in shear. And bolts are weakest in shear. As the load increased, the steel around the bolt holes began to deform. The holes elongated. The connections slipped. One bolt fell, then another, then the system. The upper walkway fell first. It crashed directly onto the lower one. In seconds, both collapsed. There was no explosion, just gravity, doing exactly what physics demanded. When the dust settled, the numbers were devastating. 114 people were dead, more than 200 were injured. They were trapped beneath tons of steel, alive but unreachable. It became the deadliest structural collapse in US history at the time. Investigators searched for a complex cause. They found none. The material were fine. The crowd load was within limits. They still met code requirements. There was no mysterious failure. Just one design change, approved without recalculation. This disaster did not happen because engineers were careless. It happened because a connection was treated as a detail. But in engineering, connections are never details. They are where structures live or die. After the collapse, engineering changed. Design review processes were rewritten. Independent checks became mandatory. And one lesson was written in steel and blood. Physics does not forgive assumptions. Because in the end, engineering didn't fail. A simple check did.